Sorry, I just pushed your t-shirt down by accident. It's right behind your seat. Step back and kiss myself. Let's go, baby. Give me that. Woo! Let's go, Ant. Go, baby. Go, Anthony. Oh, yeah! Let's go. Pull up. Bang! Wolves at 6. Wolves at 6. Hey, that's a great shirt.
Yeah, thank you, man.
That was an epic howl. That was great. Look at that audio waveform up there. Do they do that every night?
They coordinate it to what matters.
They do that when the Wild are up?
No, nobody gives a shit about that.
Oh, what? The disrespect. What about the Twins? What about Minnesota United FC?
I've never seen that. I've been in Skyline View. I've never seen the view for a while.
Oh, how to get hit by cars. Bang, Curry. Hey, how long do we have to wait until Kevin Garnett's number's retired?
HOF to start.
I know. Only time.